Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the start menu on full screen in Windows 10. As you can see, as of right now, when I press on the start menu, it is like this. For you it may be even smaller, preferably like this. Now you can make it as big as possible like this, but this is still not the full screen that we desire. Another reference to the full screen is, I'm not sure if you guys remember Windows 8, but that had like a full screen start mode, almost like tablet mode in Windows 10. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we can replicate that on Windows 10 without using tablet mode. Now, this could be very useful. However, for me, I'm more of a minimalistic person, so I like the small, minimalistic taskbars such as this, probably this big. So anyways, to begin, what we're going to do is come on our Windows home screen. From there, we're going to head to our Windows startup button and press on these settings. From there, what I'm going to do is navigate all the way to our personalization tab, background, lock screen, and colors. From there, once I'm here, these are the backgrounds. We're not going to be touching any of these. What we are going to be heading into is the start tab. From there are multiple options. What I suggest is that you copy as exactly as mine are. Alongside that, you start full screen mode, turn that on. And now if we do so, as you can see, this is what our start mode looks like. So you can add your apps here. For me, I don't have that. I use the app viewer. So this is what it will be on. App viewer will look like this. And actually, I've changed my mind. This looks much nicer. But that is how to get full screen startup menu in Windows 10. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.